Welcome to the future of firepower. The CA-09 Railgun, the world's first commercially available coil accelerator, has arrived. This remarkable innovation utilizes electromagnetism to unleash ferrous discs at breathtaking cyclic rates. What sets the CA-09 apart? Its compact design is unparalleled in the market. Magazine-fed for rapid fire, it boasts an astonishing rate of up to 2,400 rounds per minute. Whether you prefer semi-auto precision, full auto firepower, or shotgun mode, unleashing 5 rounds in a burst at a blistering 2,400 rounds per minute, the CA-09 delivers. This advanced weapon operates near silently, with adjustable fire rate and velocity. It's smokeless, and its single-component projectiles pack unmatched stopping power. Plus, it incorporates a 5-minute auto shutdown and boasts 0 moving parts. It can be yours for $1,600. Designed to protect physical assets, people, and information, this advanced device jams a wide range of commercial drone frequencies. When a drone threat is detected, the DroneDefender springs into action, instantly breaking the communication link between pilot and drone. The result? The drone enters safety mode, minimizing risks and damage. This user-friendly point-and-shoot device ensures rapid deployment within seconds. Its versatile applications range from safeguarding sensitive sites to protecting military units and enhancing security during mobile operations. For $700, DroneDefender is your go-to solution for countering drone threats. Enter the realm of extreme firepower with the Metal Storm, a revolutionary weapon capable of firing an astonishing 1.62 million rounds per minute. Picture a wall of 24,000 9mm rounds moving at Mach 5, capable of penetrating any armor it encounters. Developed over 2 decades, the Metal Storm remains unparalleled in its class. Legal issues have hindered its combat deployment, but its caseless, electronically fired, multi-stacked rounds promise to change the future of warfare. While aiming challenges the original stationary concept, versions like the MAGPUL and 3GL offer ease of use and mobility. The Metal Storm's technology holds immense potential, and the possibilities are endless. Experience the future of firepower, albeit at a collector's price of $72,000. Introducing the LMT Shorty 40 pistol, a specialized firearm designed for a unique purpose: door breaching. Crafted with lightweight aerospace aluminium and featuring an ergonomic grip, this weapon is engineered to be compact and powerful. The Shorty 40 pistol comes with a 7-inch barrel that fires specialized 40mm rounds. While it may not be the kind of firearm you see in action movies, it serves a critical role in security operations, allowing professionals to breach doors swiftly and efficiently. Priced at $2,200, the Shorty 40 pistol is a testament to precision engineering, offering a specific solution for a specific need. The Active Denial System is a groundbreaking, non-lethal security tool that uses directed energy. Imagine it as a device that emits invisible waves of energy to deter potential threats. It can project these waves up to 1,000 meters, ensuring a safe distance between security personnel and those being addressed. Unlike traditional weapons, the ADS doesn't rely on bullets or lasers. Instead, it operates at an ultra-high frequency, creating a sensation of heat on the skin, discouraging individuals from approaching. The ADS is fully compliant with US laws and offers 2 system configurations for deployment. Its versatility and precision make it an indispensable tool for security personnel tasked with crowd control and protection. The Crosman 1377C is a versatile air pistol designed for various shooting activities. What sets it apart is its user-friendly multi-pump design. Whether you're strong or not, you can easily adjust the power level by pumping the pistol between 3 to 10 times, making it suitable for shooters of all strengths. Equipped with adjustable sights for accuracy, the pistol also offers the option to add optics for even better aim. For those looking to enhance their shooting experience, there's an upgrade that allows for attaching optical accessories. Priced at just $65, the 1377C American Classic Air pistol is perfect for plinking, casual shooting, target practice, and more, making it an accessible and enjoyable option for airgun enthusiasts. Step into the world of tactical excellence with the CornerShot rifle, a revolutionary weapon system that changes how security operations are conducted. Designed to keep operators safe while maintaining precision, this system offers unique advantages. The CornerShot allows operators to engage targets from various angles without exposing themselves, significantly enhancing safety. It acts as an extension of the user's vision, enabling them to see over and under obstacles swiftly and efficiently. Equipped with laser-guided camera aiming, the CornerShot rifle ensures remarkable accuracy. For central command, it provides real-time video feeds, improving situational awareness and decision-making. Priced at $5,000, the CornerShot rifle is a valuable tool for security and operational missions, offering advanced capabilities that benefit everyone involved in ensuring safety and security. LifeCard is a remarkable piece of engineering in the world of concealed carry firearms. Designed for discreet self-defense, this folding, single-shot .22 caliber pistol is the ultimate in portability. It measures a mere 0.5 inches in thickness and weighs less than 7 ounces, making it incredibly easy to carry. What sets the LifeCard apart is its versatility. The threaded barrel version allows for discrete suppressor hosting, with features like increased rifling length for better bullet stability and compatibility with suppressors. Users can effortlessly switch between a standard barrel and a .22 LR threaded barrel, and it even comes with a storage tin and hex key for convenience. For those seeking a compact and efficient self-defense option, the LifeCard is available for just $300. The MAGPUL FMG9 is a groundbreaking covert firearm prototype pushes the boundaries of design. Crafted from polymer plastic and lightweight materials, this firearm takes inspiration from the Ares FMG and the UC9 submachine gun. What makes it truly exceptional is its ability to fold up, disguising itself as an innocuous-looking box when not in use. Originally not intended for mass production, the FMG9 later saw semi-automatic variants like the FDP9 and FDC9, developed in partnership with ZEV Technologies in 2021. With slight variations in stock configurations. Regardless of its intended use, the FMG9 remains an iconic example of innovative firearm design. The WA-2000 is a bolt-action sniper rifle that combines futuristic aesthetics with exceptional precision. Developed by Walther for law enforcement purposes in the late 1970s, it was designed with accuracy as its primary goal. Chambered for the .300 Winchester Magnum round, this rifle boasts a bullpup design, a gas-operated semi-automatic action, and a free-floating barrel. Its optical sight ensures pinpoint accuracy, with an effective range of up to 700 meters. However, due to limited production, high costs, and its fragile nature, fewer than 200 WA-2000 rifles were ever manufactured. Now, this iconic piece is going up for auction, with an expected price tag of around $40,000. The Calico M-100 introduced a revolutionary concept in firearms, an extraordinary ammunition capacity. Featuring a unique horizontal drum magazine, it can hold an astounding 100 rounds of .22 LR ammunition. This innovative design paved the way for a family of firearms, including the Calico M-900 series, which chambered 9x19mm parabellum rounds with similarly high-capacity cylindrical magazines. These firearms also featured roller-delayed blowback mechanisms, similar to the Heckler & Koch MP5, along with downward-pointed ejection ports ports for efficient operation. The Calico M-100 and its variants left a distinct mark on firearm design and technology, particularly with their unconventional magazines. For those interested in owning a piece of firearm history, the Calico M-100 is available for $1,500. Step into the realm of extraordinary weaponry with Heckler & Koch's G11, affectionately known as Kraut Space Magic. This West German-designed marvel redefines rifles, boasting a unique design and cutting-edge technology. The G11 breaks the mold with its chemical propellant ammunition, resulting in superior accuracy, efficiency, and potential lethality. By eliminating traditional casings, it achieves an impressive rate of fire, reaching up to 2,000 rounds per minute in a hyperburst mode. This complexity, however, restricts disassembly, requiring a qualified armorer for maintenance. The G11's precision and advanced engineering earned it the nickname Kraut Space Magic, but its combat deployment remains limited, with only 20 pieces in existence worldwide. Priced at $72,000, this collector's gem represents a unique chapter in firearms history.